Welcome back. You are now looking at Sendy.co, and we're looking at Sendy.co because we are going to demonstrate a server-based installation and setup. Now, Sendy is a paid application and it does work on your server. And as was discussed in the basic course, Sendy is a $59 one-time fee. And the reason that we're choosing Sendy is because of the ease of installation. The free application Mautic, which is open source, is much more difficult to get to install the very first time without higher than average technical knowledge. So that being said, we're going to start by creating an account with Sendy and purchasing the download. You'll then get an email with the download link as well as the license key. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to copy your license key and then you'll want to download Sendy. Now, once you've unzipped the files, you'll then have all of the files that you need for Sendy. You'll then want to take these files and you'll want to upload them to a directory on your site. Once you've uploaded your files, you are then going to need to create a database for your email system. And so you'll need to come into your cPanel or wherever it is that you work with your database. You're then going to go through your database wizard and you're going to create a new database. You'll then create a new database user and you will then create a password for your database user. You will give that database user all privileges and then you'll click Next Step. And once you've created your new database user, you're going to come to your Sendy files and you're going to go into the Includes folder. You're then going to go into the config.php file. You're then going to open it up and edit the file with your HTML editor. What we're going to do now is we're going to edit this config file. And we're going to edit in the information between the two apostrophes. So in this case, in most cases, your host name is going to be localhost. And if that's not the case, you'll want to check with your host, but typically this name is going to be localhost. This, your MySQL username, is going to be the username that you just created. Your database name is going to be the database you just created, and your password is going to be the one you just created for the database. Once you have all that information in, you're then going to click Save. As you can see here, we have all of our information in. We're now going to write in our password and save the file. You're now going to use your FTP program to replace that file on your server. And all we'll need to do is to drag and drop the save folder into the directory in the same place. You'll get a message asking you to overwrite the file and you'll then click OK. And with that, we will pick it up in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.